Yo YouTube, how's it going everybody? My name is Amods guys, and today's video I got this big surprise guys. My controller is making this weird rattling noise and I don't know what's wrong with it. So this controller is pretty much fucked. As we could tell, it's no connection to it. And as you guys could tell, I've been playing a little bit of GTA 5 online and with a friend. I was on Discord with them just a minute ago before I just made this video. So, I got this video, guys. I'm going to try to fix it with the hammer. So, I'm going to hit right here, see if it fixes it. If it fixes it, we're good and Gucci, and we're going to play the game. I'm just going to hit it not hard. I'm going to hit it light. If it cracks it, we're fucked. That means I have to go out and get a new controller. So yeah. We're going to find out if a Sony controller can take a hammer to it. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Now, did it fix it? Fuck no. Again. Did it fix it? Let's plug it in. And yes, guys, I know this video quality is going to look terrible because I'm just using one hand. Did it fix it? No, what the fuck? Okay. Again. And did it fix it? Wow. It actually fixed it a little bit. Hey, it works. So guys, as we could tell, did it fix it? Yes, it did. Honestly, it fixed it. Everything works fine on the controller. So let's just flip the gun wheel. Yep. Everything works on the gun wheel. The mod menu. On. Mod loader works. Okay. And does the menu work? I just had it pulled up. And it went back out. Damn it. See this shit, guys? Tell you, the POS controller. Trying to fix it here. Trying to get it back up. Alright. Hit her again. Next time it should fix it. I gotta plug it back in. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me plug her in. You know what, guys? It worked. Works just fine. So guys, if you guys like this video, guys, and you guys want to see more videos like this content, guys, let me know in the description, guys. I'm going to go out and go buy a new controller tomorrow. And so, hopefully I have one. So yeah, guys, I will keep you guys updated on the new controller. So, this controller is pretty much fucked. As we can tell. It's not even pulling up my menus. See? Not even pulling up my mod menus. Yeah, controller's fucked. 101, guys. This is Amods, guys. And the next video, guys, I will see you guys. Oh, it did pull it up. Okay, there's one mod menu. There's my mod loader, guys. Go check it out. It's link is all going to be in the next video description. Hope you guys enjoy, guys. My name's Amods, guys, and peace out and love you all.